So now let's throw the clutch and flywheel on that, make these two together, and get it ready to drop in. Got the transmission all bolted up. Got the motor mounts put on, torqued down. I got my oil feed line on, makes it easier while it's out of the car. Can't think of anything else. Oh, I put the starter on too. I think that's it. I think we're ready to go. I've sit here and stared at this long enough that I think I've got everything, and if not, well, oh well. So let's get it in there. Got to try to protect this paint. Hopefully this helps.
Anything where?
Like stuff in the bay.
Oh no.
Damn it. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, hold on. With the assistance of Sydney, we were able to get this in. Got a little bit of rubbing action right here, but we didn't scratch it, like scratch paint off, so maybe we can clean that up. We did have a chain shift and slam into the back of that, so that sucks. And also scratched the back of that wall, but you can't see it, so that's good. Other than that, it went smooth. I did have the car too low. I totally forgot about these needing to clear. Rookie mistake on my end. Going back and watching the video of us putting that in, I look like I've never done it before. This whole fresh paint just had me just not thinking straight. We got it in, went fairly smooth. Thankfully Sydney helped me. Now we got to move on to the drivetrain. I want to get the diff in, get the PPF in so the motor's setting right, and then start doing everything else and hopefully get this thing started by Wednesday. If I don't get it started by Wednesday, I'm not going to rush and try to make an SS. It's just not worth the headache. So let's get to it though. So we got the diff in, both axles are in, PPF, drive shaft, all of that is in, and the motor is finally setting on its own, not on a jack. So we are fully mounted. I think it's going to be smart to leave the interior last for anything I need to run electrically or whatnot. Next, we will start routing all of our lines, wiring. I know there's a couple wires I need to extend, so let's move on to that. Let's get this bay ready to go, and then knock out the interior and hopefully have this thing started by Wednesday. So let's do it.
What are we doing, Jared?
Working.
We're having a special feature here. Look, I came here repping, he didn't record me. Jared he's listening to gang shit for some reason right now. Let me turn this down. Jared's got not even like 15 hours to get this car done. It looks pretty close.
No sleep, gang.
I came to pick up my stickers I bought. I paid for shipping and everything. He just, didn't ship them out.
You're drinking alcohol.
I'm drinking and driving, sipping and slurping. But Jared's been slacking on the YouTube game. He said he wasn't going to record anything for you, so here I am now. Subscriber count goes down. What are you doing?
Don't make bad decisions. I keep riding this.
I came over to help Jared with his car, and I got here and he's just riding a dirt bike around, bullshitting around.
Can you do a wheelie?
Not very well. No, I could jump it though. Can you do a wheelie?
No.
That's why it's so
So I don't know where I left off last, but we have started the car. The downpipe did not work. I did not cut enough of this shelf, so we're running up pipe for now until I can figure out this whole situation. We've got the dash in, the cluster, the ECU, started work on the back, and now we are about to install these, which is a taller strut and coil. Since I got the Destroyer die drop knuckles, it had dropped my whole suspension about 1.5 inches to 2 inches, so I lost all my upper adjustment out of this. So those should fix that. I should be able to adjust my ride height again, and also not screw up my new painted fenders. So after taking this off like 3 times, we got it on. I had to take this, and this off to drop that knuckle, push it out to drop it from the bottom. So now we're gonna drop the car, see where it sits.
You had Spotify before I did. You said what? You had Spotify before I did.
That don't mean I pay for ad-free.
Well, as you can hear, we got the turbo outside running, about to head NSS. Sorry, this video is probably crap and unorganized. I don't know how I'm going to make this video, but it's done. I made a commitment to myself, and I'm gonna take an NSS, at least do 1 lap. That's all I want today is 1 lap. I'll be happy. I mean, the car doesn't look like I want it to. Decided not to put the side skirts on. I didn't sleep. It was like 4 a.m. when I started to put those on, and I decided not to because I got a drill. Other than that, I got everything on. Got the up pipe on just for now because of the exhaust issue. Sounds like crap, looks like crap. I hate it. I don't want to hear about it in the comments because I don't like it. But yeah, I need to let this burp the rest of the crap out, shower, all that stuff, pack up, make sure I have my camera so we can record, get some good footage. I got some mounts for the car, so hopefully it does run all day and we can get some good shots. So, see you there.
you see this kid act over there?
Need help? I think I got it. Hi, Jared. Shit, I'll turn it on. Hi, Kevin. Hi, Kevin. I'm your biggest fan, Kevin. Oh my god. What a fucking throwback. Yeah. My whole life is SpongeBob references. Alright, time to go back, get back in my Honda. Yeah, man. And think about selling all of them.
Delivery service.
Oh, I thought he was about to own it.
Where are y'all coming back over?
Just a couple days after the event, everything went well, other than up in the front. It was about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. We installed the BCs. I did not check for them to settle, and they settled a little bit too much. And after the first couple runs, it pulled this fender out on both sides. We got pretty lucky. It didn't wave anything, so I should be able to bend this back in. I need to roll it. I need to raise this back up to where I want it. So other than that, the motor did fine. No issues there, other than the coupler breaking, but that's normal wear and tear. So with that being said, she deserves a sticker. The first sticker to go on any of my cars. Sadly, my mid-pond sticker has to go because I want to put it here. We'll just have to grab one next time we're down at mid-pond. So like our Polish boys like to do, that works. So if you lay these down and there's bubbles, don't worry, they come out. So all in all, it was a really good weekend. I'm looking forward to this following weekend. I'm hoping to try to drift Clarksville on Sunday. But before all that, we've got to clean this garage. It is a mess. As you can tell, everything is all over the place. That last night getting this car ready absolutely destroyed my garage. Also, before the event, I would like to try my hand at making another downpipe to work with this shelf. I'd like to try to get creative, test my skills, and see if I can get something working. I really don't want to buy a new turbo. I really don't want to spend the money on a new turbo. I totally want a new turbo. I've been running this eBay turbo for so long, it's time for an upgrade. And I was really considering getting a G25, but I was really hoping this turbo would last though for at least this season and then go all out next season. But we'll see. I'm going to try my hand at making a downpipe one more time. I'm not going to beat that shelf in again like I did on my last car. It looks too good with the paint. So also, I'm shooting this last clip on my new Fuji camera. So I'm going to start trying to transition this new guy in, get used to it. We used it a lot throughout the drift event. Sydney was out taking videos. Those out of the car videos were her with the camera. So hopefully we can start working that in, get some better quality for these videos for y'all. With all that being said, the Miata is like 90% done. It's definitely ready for the drift season. So the Drift Miata episode should slowly dwindle down and we're gonna pick up on something else. I got a couple things in mind. I plan on making a video about that, so look forward to that. So that's a wrap. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Also leave a comment. It really helps me out and pushes my video into the algorithm. Also, if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.